Hello, in front of me I've got MacBook Air and controller from PS4. In this video I'll show you how to connect both devices to each other. In the beginning, on the controller, let's enter pairing mode by pressing simultaneously those two buttons. Now when pairing mode is enabled, on your MacBook, let's enter Bluetooth settings. Now select DualShock Wireless controller. Press connect and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.